Damn, I know you've been working on your music.
What's up, people feeling hungry, man? I'm gonna make me some air fry chicken. You see my air fry? My air fryer? Yeah, man. What's up? People are gonna do it real quick and fast. Yeah, real quick and fast, you know? Real quick and fast. We're gonna have a few pieces of chicken here. You know, I'm gonna just hurry up and clean it up. You know, not too rushy, you know, just 4 pieces of chicken. Then put it in the air fryer and make me some air fried chicken. Yeah, using lime. Yeah, a piece of lime. Watch it. I like to do this, man. It's very good. You know? Yeah, make me air fried chicken. Air fried chicken. People, jungle people, air fried chicken is coming up. Let me just throw off this water here. Air fried chicken. Yes. How did you like that pork chop? Yeah, it was good. Pork chop was good, man. Very good. I like it, man. Yeah, I like it. I know. You'd like to see it, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna throw off this water and just brush it up with some seasoning real fast. Air fried chicken, man. Air fried chicken. Here we go. Make me some air fried chicken, you know. We give it some seasoning now. A little bit of seasoning, you know. Not too much.
You said this shit about to hang up?
Yeah, you seen everything. Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, bro, you already know. Lots of love, bro. All day, son. You already know. Call anytime, bro. We always ready to tap in with you, bro.
Air fried chicken is coming on. Yeah, we got the air fry here going on. You know, you seen it all, right? From RAGGA Kitchen. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and touch the bell, man. Yeah, this is the air fried chicken. Air fried chicken.
Nah, nigga,
Making
hell no.
a air
Nigga, we
fried
still out here
chicken.
running with these young
Look
boys,
at
nigga.
it,
We
look at
Gucci.
it.
Fuck out here.
Yeah, season up. Yeah, I'm going to put it in the air fry. And, you know, that's we do it, you know. And throw the chicken over here, right?
Nah, that's just a throw.
Yeah, man. The chicken over here, this is what we're going to use. You know?
I ain't gonna lie about that.
This is what we're going to use. Look at it.
That don't mean nothing, bro.
Yeah, man.
Nigga, Jordan was still winning championships at
done
34,
here,
bro.
I'm going to just put it in the air fryer on the shelf right here. See it? See it?
Yeah, Jordan was
This
winning
is the air
shit at
fry
34,
shelf.
my nigga. We lit.
I'm going to just drop it on the shelf.
Oh, man.
I did something inside here where catch the drips, you know. Just a few pieces. So here we go. Into the air fryer, right? Yes, it's in. You see it inside? I'm gonna close it now. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Air fryer, yeah. It's on. Yeah, let's go, baby.
Yeah, cause they didn't care.
Chicken. I'm looking for chicken. All right. Let's go. All right. It says 40 minutes. 40 minutes. So I'm gonna pause. Thank you, people, and we will be coming right back to see these chickens in the air fryer. You see it? See? You like it? You want it? Subscribe, like, and touch the bell. That's what you're gonna get. So I'll be right back in a minute.
Yeah, after that,
hold up. You're gonna see everything, man. Just hold up. Finish it. Yes, Welcome back, Wagwan. Now, people, peep, peep, peep. I'm on the air fryer. You see, power air fryer pro. It's not joke, you know. We start at 40 minutes. I'm at 32 minutes. And I tell you, it's going to be something you want to see. It's right in here. You cannot see too much like getting color. You're getting color. But I'm going to let you see. I know you want to see this one. I give surprises. Surprises, Jenko peeps. Yeah, man. Just give me the likes and the comments. Nobody commenting, man. Comment, man. Come on now, man. Give me some comments on these dishes, man. You know, I've been good to you, people, man. Big up, big it up, man. Big up the food thing, man. The food thing is very good enough for us, you know, man. And I'm trying to give you the best chef cooking. Not cooker, I'll cook. This is the chef thing, man. That chef thing. You know, yeah, we just penetrating the power fryer, doing the thing. 31 minutes. You see it? It's coming along. Well, let me give it a check. And you're going to have to check it out, okay? We all check it out. Let me get the fork inside here. Yeah, I have the fork and thing inside here. Let me get the fork. Yes, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to pull the door down now. And you all have a look at it. You know, here come. Right. See it? You see it? It's going along, man. It's going along, man. It's going along. You know, you take your time. It's going along. Going along, man. It's going along. You see it? Look at it. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, just trying to spin it. And this thing, man, yeah, it's powerful, man. Very good. You know, some people might like it, some might not like the machine, but this is technology of the finest, man. I try it out, and the meat is remain the same. The meat remain the same, man. I mean, the same. Like you had a fry, but man, it have a texture there that, you know, is very, very healthy for you. Yes, it's in, but I'm going to just turn the door up and it's going to restart by itself. You hear it? You like it? You're going to subscribe to it and big it up, and then you're going to touch the bell. So here we know. We're going to be right back. Stay tuned to the new one I give you, the air fry pro, man. So stand by. Yes, Jenko people, it's still going on here. It's still going on here. It's 370 Fahrenheit. Now we are 23 minutes. We started at 40 minutes. And look, we're gonna have a look again. Watch it, easy does it. We're gonna take it down, take it out, and look at it, have a look at it. Wow, look at it, yeah, coming to come. What I always do, I used to turn it and, you know, give it a little feel to see how far it is going and where we going. Yes, man. RAGGA Kitchen here, fried chicken, man. Yeah, it's so nice to can hook yourself up very nicely with something, you know, a quick little meal like some chicken, you know, here fried chicken, instead of run yourself to the McDonald's. So I'm going to put it back in because it have a few more minutes to go, okay? And you're going to see it when it's finished, okay? And you're going to love it, you know? You're going to really love it. You're going to really love it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Let's close it up back. There you go. Let me start. Aye. Nicely. Yes, Jenko people. So the next time you seen it, ooh, aye.